Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to apply online for Walmart Canada jobs. I was helping someone look for jobs in Canada recently, and Walmart actually has a pretty straightforward application process once you know where to go. I open a browser and search for Walmart Canada careers, which takes you to their official hiring site. Once you're there, you can use the search bar to type in the role you're interested in, anything from store associate to management, and set your location and radius to narrow things down. After picking a job that looked interesting, I opened the listing and took a minute to read through the responsibilities and requirements. This part matters more than people think. Then I click apply, and it prompted me to either upload a resume or fill everything out manually. I went with manual just to see the process, entered my basic details, work experience, and answered a few questions, then reviewed everything before submitting. It's pretty smooth overall. Just make sure your info is accurate because this is your first impression. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.